Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Tutankhamun's most famous golden mask. Before jumping into the video, little introduction about King Tutankhamun. Well, Tutankhamun was a king of Egypt. He ruled Egypt as pharaoh for 10 years until his death at age of 19 around 1324 BC. A study from the Journal of American Medical Association found that King Tutankhamun died from the complications from a broken leg exacerbated by malaria. Now, if you're thinking why Tutankhamun is so famous, is because his tomb was discovered recently containing fabulous treasures that help the Egyptologists to understand the process of mummification. Tutankhamun's mask is the funerary mask of Tutankhamun. It was discovered by Howard Carter in 1925 and now it's in Egyptian Museum in Cairo. This mask is one of the most well-known works of art in the world.